What's up, guys? It's Nick back in here with another video, and today I got some custom My Hero Academia blazers. These are gonna be for my niece as a Christmas gift, and she's really into My Hero Academia. She really loves Deku as a character. I don't like Deku like that, but she does. So I'm just gonna put something nice together for Christmas, and then just try to see what I can do. Let me know what you guys think, and let's get into it. What up, guys? It's Nick back in here with another video, and today I got some My Hero Academia blazers. I'm doing this for one of my nieces for as a Christmas gift. So she ain't even gonna see this video because it's not gonna release till after Christmas. So hey, I want to keep this a surprise. She's a really big My Hero Academia fan, and like I think for Halloween she dressed up as Deku and everything, had the wig on and everything, went like all out. So you know what I'm saying, I decided that I was gonna do one of these for her for Christmas because I ended up coming across some blazers in her size. So I figured it'd be a good idea to just go ahead and do some of these. You know, seeing as how I'm caught up on all my orders and everything. So I thought it'd be a nice fun thing to do for somebody for Christmas. You know what I'm saying? So I thought about inspiration for this shoe. I was thinking about I love the, a lot of people gonna hate this too, but I love the All Might versus All for One fight, considering what it meant to the show. The actual fight was trash, I will give you that, but what it meant to the series as a whole, like All Might not being a security net for Deku anymore, what that meant for the show meant it meant like, okay, Deku, it's time to get with it. It's time to get with it. You got one for all now. It's time for you to go. So I wanted to put that moment in the shoe, like the All Might going against All for One, like really beat up. Him doing probably his last Detroit Smash or United States Smash, whatever it was. Him doing that last one. I almost did him with him doing the little pose, him holding the pose. Like I wish All Might's supposed to die, to be honest. He's supposed to be dead by now. You know what I'm saying? So but anyway, but like, because if he had just died in that pose, it would have been great. Like that would have been the end of it, and they could have like made a statue for him right there, and then Deku could have just moved forward with that. Like that would, I feel like that would have been better than All Might just being like there, because now he's just like a shell of himself. It's almost embarrassing to see somebody that good, like the symbol of peace. Now he just nothing. Like he's just not that dude no more. But and then so I took another with the next image. I took Deku right here, like this image right here. I took Deku doing a Detroit Smash, and I feel like that was a good image to take. I was tempted to do Bakugo doing a Detroit Smash, but I didn't want to make it too much about the movie, because if that was the case, I would have did the whole shoe about that second movie. And then but I didn't really want to go do all that. I just figured I'd just keep it simple, just put like a simple picture of Bakugo in there. But yeah, I like this image of Deku because it gives I think it like highlights his character, punching with a smile on his face, because that's kind of like his thing, what he like to say. And I guess that's why my niece actually likes him as a character, because he's like she's a real happy person too. So Deku's like, he's gonna try to see the good and everything. But I want to see, at this point in the show though, I want to see Deku like kind of like go to that next level. I want to see him take off now. Like now, I'm not caught up on the manga or nothing like that. I don't read that much. I'm gonna be honest with you, but I want to see like how far along he's gonna come, like the next jump or whatever he's gonna take. Cause I like, if the point he inherited One for All is at the same level that All Might was at, like it shouldn't take that long for him to master it. Considering that All Might mastered it from instantly once he got it. So I'm like, okay, bro, what's the hold up, bro? You had it for a year or so now, like. What's going on, bro? You know what I'm saying? Come on, let's pick this up. So I'm ready to see him like kind of turn up with it. So which he kind of did against Overhaul in the last season. So I want to see more of that. I want to see him like really be that dude. Like if his power is as strong as when All Might had it, he's already better than Endeavor, the #1 hero now. He's already better than all of them. So it's like, dude, it shouldn't take that long. Like, you know what I'm saying? What you got going on? Like, it's either you ain't trying that hard or something up. So, I want to see what happens with that. And I put Todoroki on here. Obviously, I like if I'm like Bakugo and Todoroki are like his main rivals, but you know what I'm saying, it's more so Bakugo. But I like Todoroki. Between Todoroki and All Might, they're my favorite characters in the show. So it was gonna be hard for me to leave them out. I know the shoe ain't for me, but it was hard for me to leave them out because who else was I gonna put in there? For real, like who else was I gonna put in there? It wasn't nobody else to put in there. Cause like I hated what's his name? The one who can go through walls and stuff. Lemillion, that's his name. I hated him. Like, cause like I didn't care about him. Like when he came in, he showed up, he lost his power. I didn't care at all. Like I only seen him do for like 6 episodes before that. I didn't care. So you know, Lemillion, I didn't care about that. I didn't care about Night Eye. Like the classmates, some of the other classmates, they were cool, but like nobody, like it really was nobody else to put in this shoe, to be honest. So it was like All Might, Todoroki, Bakugo, Deku. You know, other than that, probably Endeavor, Hawks or something. I don't know. Like that may be the next one I do. I might do Hawks and Endeavor or Dabi or something. Even though I've already done the Todoroki family before, but you know, but for the next My Hero shoe, I come up with something else. I might go ahead and do it like a class 1A shoe or something like that. But what was I finna say? You know, doing this shoe, same process as always. Y'all know I'm consistent. I love these blazers. These are my favorite shoes to work on. You know, it's the easiest thing for me to do. Like all you gotta do is just draw on it. To be honest, like it don't take a whole lot of prepping. You ain't gotta do all that extra stuff and all this and that. All you gotta do is draw and paint. That's all you gotta do. So you know, like I said, blazers is a very cheap entry level shoe to work on. If that's what you want to do, go ahead and do that. You know what I'm saying? It's very simple, very easy, and all of that. So, you know what I'm saying? Just figure out what you want to do and get started on it. You know, like in the comments, let me know who your favorite character in My Hero Academia is, and that, or if you feel like I should have put somebody else in here. But just like, comment, subscribe, and holla back.